we're going to be in Bear County. So, that being said, we need some bear spray. Our bear spray exploded on that man. So we have to go get some. We're gonna try Walmart, cross our fingers. We need a couple other things too, so let's hope there's bear spray.
Guys, look at this. We had to come back here. Had to make a couple stops. Had to buy a new hose, our poop chute. So we took a ride to Walmart, grabbed a few things. Had to stop here too. This was priority for Lee. But guys, look how much freaking wood this is. Wasn't that beautiful? I love that segment, the beauty segment. Anyway, here we are, site 188, and it's time to set up camp.
Hey guys, we're in heaven again. First, I just have to say, look, we're at our site. We're in New York. Look at this view that we have. How are we getting another fabulous view from our site? Man, we promised that we were coming to LEWEY Lake, and here we are. Everybody has been raving about it. We're excited to be here. We're excited to show you guys what it looks like. For those of you that haven't been here, this one probably on your list because it is absolutely beautiful, and being in the fall, our favorite season, I feel like we're lucking out this season, and we're happy to share it with you guys so you can choose where you want to go and see this beauty. Let's go check this place out. I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. Let me show you. I'm coming down. Our site, you can see it there. And when we come down, we get that. Oh, and that. And the sound of the water. We're going to be sleeping nice. Our back doors are right here. Woo-wee, you guys weren't kidding.
sexy. Go sexy. While crapping our day away, we had some great conversations around the fire, so we figured, hey, let's involve you guys. What do you guys think about generators? We had an issue last week. I think we talked about it a little bit on the episode, but we didn't deep dive into it. No,
Hey there.
We don't have to.
How you doing?
We had a neighbor that was there on a week's-day. We got there. Oof. Bombs away! But anyway, the female neighbor was upset that the other gentleman had his generator running day in and day out. So I personally try not to run a generator because it does sort of piss people off. Lee doesn't think it's a big deal.
Well, I think it goes around noise level. Like, some generators are quiet if you're running them during the right hours. But for me personally, if we had a generator, I would try to run it as minimal as possible. Because it's just like, you don't want to have a party or play your music too loud because
your neighbors.
Yeah, your neighbors. I don't know.
Listen, let me say this first. A quick disclaimer. As I talk about the generators and the way folks use them, please don't take offense to it. Because once again, I'm on one side of the fence and Lee's on the other. But I've seen 90% of the time, folks that do use a generator, they usually hide it. And by hiding it, I mean they put it as far away from their RV as possible so they aren't disturbed by their own generator.
I don't care. Too bad.
Now, when you do that, you have a neighbor. And when you put it on the other side of your RV, that means your neighbor is getting the brunt of it. The smell, the odors,
I don't care.
the exhaust fumes,
I don't care.
the noise
I
pollution.
don't care.
I mean, I have to say, when the generator went off and it was like crystal clear silence.
That it was.
Does that even make sense? But it was like, oof, whoa, I didn't realize how noisy it was because I just kind of tuned it out. What do you guys, we want you guys to put in the comments, join this conversation, put it in the comments.
Yeah, really.
Let us know what you think, what your thoughts are.
This is like an off-topic. I don't even know if we're going to leave this in, but is anybody preparing for what's happening in the world? I don't want to bring it up on the channel, but sometimes I feel as though we should, for a lot of reasons, because it almost correlates to what we're doing. At first, Lee didn't believe what I was explaining to her and where I thought things were going to go several years ago. But now Lee is finally turning a new leaf and is involved and gets it, as I don't need to tell her because she sees it. You're seeing it on the news. It seems like the world is it's been flipped upside down. To be honest with you, I've been preparing. When I buy food, I buy as much as possible, put some away. Same thing with water. I got water filtration.
But I think it's more of prepping for having food in the house just in case the stores can't get the goods or the prices are too high.
Yeah, because of what we do, I think they correlate. I think there's similarities in it. If I'm just saying, I'll get off it. But is anybody freaking preparing or think that we should prepare or think that preparing is stupid? Let me know. All right, I'm done. End of my rant. Simple dinner tonight. Fried rice. I haven't made this since Jersey. Lee's been wanting it. I've been craving it. So I made some the other night. Put it in my Tupperware and brought it with us. This is fucking awesome, dude. here we are, day 2. What a beautiful morning. But a cup of coffee will make it that much better. And so, what a quick breakfast. Breakfast of champions. Bacon, egg, and cheese on a bagel. We're going to need as much energy as possible because it's time to get this ball rolling. We got to show you guys everything this park is made of, from the amenities to its beauty and obviously the sights. Let's rock. Let's jump right into the amenities here.
You could bring your own water vessel, and if you don't have one, you can rent one here. Kayaking and canoeing is really popular to enjoy these beautiful views, and if you fall out, swimming's allowed. We saw so many people launching their boats off, enjoying either fishing or just a leisure boat ride.
There is hiking here on a trail called Sucker Brook. There's fishing, and there's this awesome boat launch. Look at this.
And of course, biking. Just be careful because if you want to enjoy the entire park, you do have to ride on some of the streets. Be careful of the cars and the bears. Hi.
And there's bathhouses with hot showers that are very clean. Hey guys, Lee thinks we should start doing a informative sort of tutorial type segment, like the things we use now for rodents, or how to level your RV, or locking up your bikes, or the best awnings and things like that. Is it something you guys would like? If so, let us know. Let us know, and we'd love to add a segment like that. So definitely let us know, guys. Quickly here, there are area attractions from the Interpretive Center in Newcomb on Route 28. There's also a museum. And along beautiful Route 30, you'll find shopping and restaurants, and there's actually a golf course available in the villages of Indian Lake. But if you ask me, I think the attraction is the campground itself. You don't have to leave, and you won't want to leave. The place just gives you a big old hug and says, stick around a while. All right, let's go check out these sites. Time to let the cat out of the bag. We've got a little secret, and it's time to be transparent. Last season, we tried to book some sites that we loved, some of our star sites, and we couldn't get to a single one of them. So we decided this season to save at least one star site for ourselves, just in case we wanted to come back and visit. But this week, we're exposing it all. We're showing every single star site there is. 78, folks, 78. Let's go see what it looks like down in there. Amazing. So here we are on site 78. Excuse the wind, guys. It's a very windy day. Oh, we got some friendly ducks here, hanging out, sleeping. Hate to disturb the little guys, so we actually won't. As you can see, we got your own little beach. Oh, look at these views, guys. Look at those views. Look at that. We're going to expose all the good sights here today, folks. Our viewers need them. Look at this. Site 78. And the one next to it, just as good, if not better. What an amazing section. For those that are new here, The numbers that are in red are star sites. We figure these to be the best in the campground. And as you'll see, 72 is on the main road here. 69, really gorgeous site. Lake right down there in front of you. You're underneath all these beautiful white pines. Only problem is the main road is right there, and I don't have the site number of this in front of me. Maybe 68, 70, not sure, but again, on the main road. Site 94, road behind you. But even on a water site like this beauty here, 92, you're still gonna hear the main road. So it is what it is. Site 97, on a slant, but gorgeous. And you're not as close to the water as the rest of them, so keep that in mind. Site 107, guys. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Site 113, another gorgeous site. Gorgeous. Here's a quick history lesson. The initial campground was at Indian Lake, just north of the highway, the little bridge that's there. And I think there's site 31 or 34 there now. It was known as LEWEY Bridge and was made up of sites 16 through 33, which we'll get to. 1 and 60. Site 59. 54, smallest site here. Tent site. And 55, you could pull a trailer in. I wouldn't attempt anything large. Pop-up van, keep it at that. 46 is a really good size site. Anything. And then site 47. Same scenario. That 47 is bigger. Not as wide, but definitely a lot longer, deeper. Anything on there, I don't care, Class A. As long as you can deal with all these divots and potholes and roller coaster of a road. Other than that, this is a great section for, your average size RV. Now, when I said we're gonna expose the best sites here, we're not kidding. Look at site 21. This is one of our favorite sites of all time. This thing is amazing. You're gonna come in, van, pop up, tops, unfortunately, guys. Move the table over to here or something, then you could get in here and avoid this rock. But obviously tenting is all day. And then look at this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh, man. Yes. As you can see, I'm lost for words. But the funny thing is, as we moved on and saw 13 and 14, etc., they all had back portions that looked just like this. Gorgeous, with little peninsulas that jet out. Here we are, site 18. Behind that is 19. We've got 20 here. And then what we just showed you, 17, right on the road, main strip, depending on your liking. Here we are, guys. There's several sites on the main road. And this one is site 12. One of you guys said these are the best sites, and you are not kidding. Look at that. Look at that. Your own beach. Oh boy, these are amazing. 13. I'm not gonna get to every one of them because we're moving on now to Harris Lake. But check this out, guys. Nobody over here. That's all woods, picnic table, fire pit, and then once again, look at what you have, man. Look at this. That is all yours. Ho ho ho. Gosh, as you can see, it's actually over here, if you can see. Another island portion. So this, it's actually from, hold on. It's actually from here all the way to here is just an area to hang out on. Besides all this, woods in here, this is crazy. Oh my gosh. Site 186. Look how large, flat, perfect that thing is.
Oh, wow.
168. This is the second site we've come across that is under restoration. So, yeah. We'll show you. Actually, wow, look at that. Look at 167.
Totally.
There's 167. They literally just filled it with all the cuttings of the air here. What do you guys think about this process? What do you think about this process? Ours is a two-man job. Lee gets to just spray and hose down, and I gotta crawl my ass under here. Generally, the way this is generally set up, there's a block here, and it's leveled accordingly, so any fluids drain down in. This one is engineered horribly to where everything that everybody is dumping is just all over the place. All over the place. So when they pull their hose, the drippings are coming down. Some people are idiots and just hose through just to clean out the rest of it. So I had to make a makeshift tarp out of our black bags. Luckily I bought some on the way here. But anyway, yeah. This isn't the fun part. But we decided to put a toilet in here. Lee wanted a flushing toilet with water. She got her wish. So I suffer, and all she has to do is just spray a hose. Lucky son of Lee Gun. All right. Yeah, nice and clear. Don't leave yet. That's not the stinking end of the video. We want to show you next week's episode where we take you to Lake Harris Campground. Of course, in the Adirondacks. Check it out. Yeah, this whole Adirondack trip was just amazing, and it's not over yet. You still got to see Lake Harris. Holy crap. Let me. All right, here's the site. We're at Site 9. And take a look. OMG. Look at her, guys. I love when she's excited. And holy crap, is she excited right now. Oh, yeah.
What the heck? I'm in Site Envy right now. This site's so good.
Oh, man. Yeah, you guys know the drill. We're going to show you everything. The amenities, activities, and the sites. Because that's what this place is all about. It's all about its sites. And man, just impeccable. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for the support. Do us a favor and like and subscribe. And if you like this video, go check out our playlist. Especially if you're a camper. We have hundreds more where we show all the sites, amenities, etc. Make life easier for you. Thank you to our members. You guys are rock stars. And we'll see you next week.
We love you guys.